Is it hard? Yeah. It's gonna.
Hey, put your other glove on.
I'm filming.
Okay.
I want to film you for a minute. How many? You're not going to have a whole lot of videos of you guys in massive southern Illinois snowstorms.
It's harder.
Nutty!
Look at how hard it is for Diego to climb, Mom.
Here, let me get on this side so I can get video of you going down the hill. You can do it, Diego. Mama has faith in you. Come on, Diego. Come on, Manny. Let's see what you got. Woo! Good job, Manny. You can do it, Diego. Come on. Come on, Diego. You got this. You can do it.
Now. Hank, you got snow all over my lips.
Oh, you okay? Yeah, don't get snow. Don't throw snow at each other or you'll get too cold. You won't be able to stay out here.
How do you get the snow off my lips? Whoa!
No. Yeah, here, use whatever you need, baby. Keep it.
Whoa!
Woo-hoo-wee!
That's whoa. Diego's gonna climb again.
My nose is, every time I go like this, my nose freezes shut.
Encourage Diego. Look what he has to climb.
What a beautiful snowstorm.
This is dangerous for Diego to climb this. Why? It's high. No. Diego made it up. Now it's time to get down. Oh no. Mom, do you want to see Diego's way down?
Let's see it. Nancy goes down. Nancy, baby. She's so fast. Look at her go. Oh, she's so fast. Look at her go. Nancy.
Diego's taking his way down.
Down you go, Diego.
Encourage Diego.
You can do it, Diego. I have total faith in you. Total faith in you, Diego. You got this. Give it all you got.
I have to climb sideways.
You got it. You got it.
I did it.
Yay! Good job, boys.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Now encourage Diego, Mom.
You can do it, Diego. I'll give you all the encouragement in the world, my baby. Uh-oh, Henry didn't make it. Sorry about your luck, Henry.
That's so deep.
Oh, it's just beginning, Henry. All right, when you guys get to the top, I want to take a picture of you, okay?
Diego.
Diego, you've got it. You can do it.
Ow.
What's the matter?
My hand.
Are they cold?
I have to go.
Hey, how about a pair of gloves over them or a pair of socks?